You guys know there's a Chinatown Heritage Centre right here. Wow, you feel like New Year again. Yeah, some books here. Lego art. Pineapple tarts. Pineapple balls. They actually sell these things. But that's a different pineapple tart and pineapple ball. Oh, look at this. It's a cut of the brass pasang. Twassling. They sell it here. The bricks and even a t-shirt. Chinatown Heritage Centre. And behind they say it's just a logo. Teochew Opera. Oh. And going up to level 3 and see what they have. Wow. This is a mini museum. Oh man. Look at that. All those cryptic clocks. I'm the only one here. Oh, Pagoda Street. Wow, letter writer. Even the cutting your hair with all the tools here. Paper mask seller. Wow, some kind of weighing scale. Exotic animal market. Medicine man if you are in pain. Cinema on wheels. The storyteller. Chestnut seller. And the wayang opera. Kacang putih man, which is the peanuts coated with the sugar. Wayang orchestra. With the costumes. Wow. And the stereo now is playing the sound of the wayang. This is one of the childhood games that Singaporeans play. It's a shuttlecock. Basically, it's a piece of plastic at the bottom and you kick it with your inside of the foot, outside the foot, or with your instep. So this is one of the childhood games. Yeah, some of these picture books here. Just amazed. So this is one of the picture books. Oh. And how the people in the olden days do their laundry and dry their clothes. I like this traditional teapot. It's level 2, it's a bit dark here. The name of this gallery is a bit scary. It says living on the street of the dead. Sagolen. So this is like a kind of small bed. They say that many were sent to the death house were singers. Wow. And then the death houses like Sagolen was started by undertaker providing a bed for the dying. This is actually the real life pictures of the death houses. Let's see what they have here. We have the Yirensen. Oh. Tiancheng Jingbu. Li Ziyuan Nimqi Guan. It started as a pushcart store and now they're making the food business, the BBQ pork. Dongxing. The kind of egg tart. You know how many food centers are there in Chinatown? Total there are 5. First one is the Maxwell Food Centre, second People's Park Food Centre, thirdly Amoy Street Food Centre, the fourth one Hong Lim, and lastly Chinatown Complex Food Centre. And this area with the Cantonese zi cha, which is a stir-fried dishes from Cantonese style, and over here the Chinese satay. Next we have the Teochew fish ball noodles. Actually, if you look from far, it really looks like the real thing. And lastly, the Teochew porridge. Oh, there's a wan gui, which is rice bowl and mixed with some mushroom, shrimp, imported from Fujian, China. You can even have your picture taken by standing at the arrow here. Then you can test yourself how much you know about Chinatown with all these iconic sites like the Dollar Ayah Chinese Methodist Church, the Real An Siang Hill Park, former Pondok Club, Mosque ACS House, Sri Mariamman Temple, former Lai Chun Yuan and Chun Ji Gong, former Majestic Theatre, former Great Southern Hotel, former Kuli Den, former Opium Den, former Nagori Daga, Info 婴儿会馆 King Hawking Temple, Guru Club, former Dongchai Medical Institution, Fu Tai Chi Museum, and lastly Yue Hai Qing Temple. And then there's window view of the vibrant Chinatown Food Street. Below, there are some restaurants and tourists are taking photos and doing their stuff here, and opposite is a pagoda house. Alright. These are with some of the murals. After all those walking, you guys must be tired, so come and try the Singapore First Herbal Milk Tea Store, Amacha. It just opened on the 13th May this year. The address 46 Pagoda Street. So this is the herbal milk tea. Oh, it's a long queue, 10 minutes waiting time. Right now I'm at the Chinatown Complex Food Centre on a Saturday evening. There are lots of people here queuing up for their dinner. It's like 5:35 p.m. If you see a long queue, it means the food is definitely more or less good. The most famous food here with the char kway teow, I'm going to find it. Lots of street food here. Satay, bee hoon for $5, $6, $7. Hokkien mee, fried carrot cake. And I saw the char kway teow right in front. There it is. 3 customers are queuing and more can be coming up now. This is the Food Street fried kway teow mee. The customer is eating a portion now. Lots of other street food like the zui gui right in front, which is kind of rice cake with chai pot on top, chicken rice, herbal soup. Now the char kway teow is in action now. For customer queuing for char kway teow now, it was 3 customers previously in 3 minutes. There are 5 more people. Moving down level 1, there are some clothes, Chinese clothes sold here, and some kind of nice mural right in front. The char kway teow Singapore Hawker Heritage mural and a Tope Gong directly in front. I think this is the Chinese costumes we wear for the wedding. They even sell bags, luggage, waist pouch, ATM, bangles, t-shirts, even paintings. There's a Bruce Lee mural there. There's some colorful of these accessories. They also sell the kids clothes here. And by the way, I'm gonna check out the earrings in front. A nice the snake here, the statue, and a durian on top. I personally recommend you guys to shop at myCK, which is just adjacent to the Chinatown Hawker Centre, because there's a wide range of clothes and even food stuff at the bottom. The price is really like reasonable. $10, $15, $10. There are also keys from Singapore at the basement, right here at the myCK department store. So you see, they sell almost everything here, the bags, slippers, even food accessories. There's the People's Park Complex. We have some of shopping inside. In Chinese, we call it the 珍珠坊. And these are with the Lucky Chinatown. There are some shops here.